Milky Coffee Gradient Wave Pattern Scarf. Crochet tutorial is here, with this fluffy texture and simple, versatile color scheme. The yarn used is medium worsted long fur yarn with a 5.0 mm crochet hook. The scarf dimensions are also shown on the screen. Long fur yarn makes it a bit harder to see the stitches clearly, so I'll demonstrate using cotton yarn of the same thickness. Hold the yarn in your left hand and begin with the foundation chain. After making the foundation chain, start working chain stitches. Beginners can place a stitch marker in the first stitch. Let me demonstrate the chain stitch once more. You will need a total of 33 chains, which is a multiple of 16 plus 1. Beginners can also place a stitch marker in the last stitch. Round 1. Work 3 chain stitches to replace the first double crochet. Place a stitch marker in the third chain stitch. This is the first stitch of round 1. Then, working back along the chain, work a double crochet into the first stitch, the one with the stitch marker. Simply insert the hook from the middle and work through the back loop only. This double crochet, along with the 3 chain stitches at the beginning, counts as one set of double crochet increase. Continue working back along the chain with double crochet, working only 1 double crochet into each stitch. Work 6 double crochet in order. Next, work 1 set of double crochet 3 together. Begin by working 1 unfinished double crochet into the next stitch. This means completing all steps except the last pull through, leaving 2 loops on the hook. Using the same method, work 2 more unfinished double crochet into the following stitches in order. You will now have 3 unfinished double crochet and 4 loops on the hook. Finally, yarn over and pull through all loops. This decreases 3 double crochet into 1 stitch. Continue working 6 double crochet in order. After completing these, work 1 set of double crochet 3 in 1 stitch into the next stitch, which means working 3 double crochet into a single stitch. Then, work 6 double crochet in order again. After this, work another set of double crochet 3 together, 3 unfinished double crochet. Then yarn over and pull through all loops. Next, work 6 double crochet in order. For the last remaining stitch, corresponding to the beginning, work 1 double crochet increase, 2 double crochet in the same stitch. This completes round 1. Turn the work to begin round 2. The stitch pattern is exactly the same as round 1. Start with 1 set of double crochet increase. Then 6 double crochet. 1 set of double crochet, 3 together. Six double crochet. One set of double crochet, 3 in 1 stitch. Six double crochet. One set of double crochet, 3 together. Six double crochet. And finally, work 1 double crochet increase in the last stitch. The entire scarf repeats this stitch pattern. It's very simple. Our color sequence is white for 2 rounds plus gradient color for 7 rounds. Now let me demonstrate how to change colors and weave in ends. First, with the white yarn, work 1 chain stitch to secure it and prevent unraveling. Then take the new color yarn and make a slip knot. Join it into the first stitch and begin crocheting as usual. While working, you can lay the yarn end over the hook and crochet over it to weave it in. Alternatively, you can pull the yarn end through nearby stitches to secure it. Finally, trim any excess yarn. Looking forward to seeing your finished projects.